This video is courtesy of my sister Edna. She's gonna show you how to make this. Hi, welcome back to East West Picayune. This video is courtesy of my sister Edna, and she lives in the Philippines. And recently I had visited her, and while I was there, she cooked this amazing, delicious shrimp dish, which is called salted egg prawn, or here I guess it will be shrimp. Anyhow, it is so good that I would like to share this with you. And also all her friends wanted to know how she makes this dish, if she brings it to some potluck or some church event. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. Actually, she's gonna show you how to make this. Salted egg has been a popular flavor in the Philippines. Actually, there was this salted egg potato chips, which I love. So there is salted egg green bean dish, which is also good. So anyhow, this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. So Edna's friend, please like, subscribe, and follow East West Picayune. So let's get cooking. We're going to start off by cleaning our shrimp by removing our vein just like that using a toothpick. And then we're going to cut off the antenna using a scissor. And then of course cut off the walking legs and the swimming legs of the shrimp. After that, we are going to cut through the abdominal part of the shrimp, just like that. So we sort of butterfly the shrimp. So that would make the shrimp easier or faster to fry. And do the same thing over again, taking the vein off, cutting the antennas, and of course the swimming legs and the walking legs. And then cutting in the middle, just like that. And we're going to repeat this to all our 1.5 pound of shrimp. This is about 20 to a pound count shrimp, or you can use prawn, which is the bigger shrimp. You can also peel the shrimp and butterfly it. It will taste just as good and of course less messy. There you go. And then now we can rinse off our shrimp, drain it. Now we're gonna separate some egg yolks. We're gonna set aside the egg yolk for later use. So we need about 2 egg whites.
Ay, oh no, I forgot. Okay,
And we're gonna beat the egg whites. Just like that. Now we're gonna dip the shrimp into our egg white using a wet hand, and then to the cornstarch using your dry hand. We're gonna repeat this process. So shrimp to the egg white, then to the cornstarch, coat it well, just like that. Heating some oil up to 350 degrees.
okay.
And then we can start dropping the shrimp in. It shouldn't take very long to fry the shrimp as soon as it turns pink,
Oh gosh, nakakatakot.
which is approximately
Traffic ko yan.
even less than a minute. And then you're gonna let it drain on the paper towel. Next, we're gonna cut some red chili pepper. It depends how hot you want it. You can use more or less. Right here, my sister is using about 5 red chili pepper. So she's gonna chop them up. Or you can cook it whole if you like. And then she also has some curry leaves. These are fresh curry leaves, and it is very difficult to find fresh curry leaves here in the US, but you can find some dried ones. And what I find too is you may be able to substitute bell pepper leaves. In the Philippines, we use bell pepper leaves in soup, and it does have a very distinct flavor. Next, we're gonna cut up some salted eggs, and these are Philippine salted eggs, and it is tinted with this magenta color. So if you see these in the Philippines, those are salted eggs. So in this recipe, we're just gonna use the egg yolk. Basically, gonna scoop them all out. You don't want to use a lot of the egg white because that would lose the creaminess of the sauce.
To mash the egg yolk.
And then we also need some minced or grated garlic. She used about 5 cloves here. Now she put about 1/4 cup of butter for more flavor. But you can also use olive oil if you like. I think here she mixed a little bit of the olive oil with the butter. There you go.
Some olive oil.
Once it's all melted together, you can put your garlic, saute it until brown, just like that. Then you're gonna put your red chili in. So now you're gonna put your salted eggs. Stir, and then your curry leaves. Curry leaves here are very expensive if you'll find them, but it's very hard to find, like I said. So you just fry them until it sort of simmer. Some bubbles coming up. Then we can add a little cream or milk. She added about 1/4 cup of cream here eventually. Continue to stir and make sure you stir it well so you don't burn the butter. Of course, you cook this under medium heat. Looks nice and creamy. Salt.
Himalayan salt.
To taste.
Put some salt.
And a little sugar. That's about a tablespoon of sugar. And once it's all combined and simmering a little bit, now add your shrimp.
Whoa!
And stir until it's all well coated. So this is the finished product. Salted egg prawn. Hope you guys like it.